Ma'am,
Hi.
you doing all right?
I'm great. How are
You
you?
doing good? Okay. What's going on today? You want to go home?
Yeah.
Where's home?
Right down the road.
Where's down the road? Do you know where you're at? Where? You don't know? Do you have any medical problems?
No.
You're not diagnosed with any kind of medical issues? Take medications for anything? Prescribed any medications? Nothing like that?
Go ahead.
Okay.
What'd you say?
Well, I see some medication sitting right there next to you. What's that for?
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh, this
51.
is...
Well, you don't have to open it up. What's it for?
My foot.
Your foot?
Yeah.
What happened to your foot?
I have...
You mind if I look at it real quick?
Yeah.
No, I can just at the bottom. You ain't got to open it. Did you take any of these?
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
When did you take it?
This morning.
This morning?
Yeah.
How long have you been in the car?
Since this morning.
Since this morning?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go ahead and sit on this.
722, that's home. 722.
You sure you don't have any medical problems?
Yes.
You're positive?
Yeah.
Okay. You seem confused, and I'm worried that you might be having something going on.
Oh, no, I'm
That's
fine.
more, we're on the second
But you
floor.
don't know where you're at.
What's the reference? She's an elderly female. She seems a little disoriented.
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
Where are you?
No, we're good on the way.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you taken anything or had anything to drink or anything today?
No, no. This is water.
Yeah.
This is...
And the only medications you've taken is that one that you have there?
Yeah, this is, what is this? Cold brew. This is
So you've been in the car since this morning? Where were you going?
home.
You've been trying to go home since this morning.
Yeah.
Where were you coming from? Do you know?
I don't know, honestly.
Okay.
I mean, I'm just hanging out, I'm just hanging out, trying to get home.
What happened with the gates? Did you know you hit some gates?
That's what I was told.
You didn't know you hit some?
But
Okay.
I'm trying to be good.
What happened? You made a little mess down on the floorboard.
Absolutely.
What happened there?
Tomato.
Where'd that come from?
My foot.
Your foot?
Yeah.
Were you trying to eat or something?
Yeah, I was trying to get home.
Where'd you get the food at?
Right here.
Where'd you get it from?
The store.
Do you know which store?
The little store down the road.
Like a corner store?
Yeah.
Okay. And wait, in Lake Worth or?
Yeah. No, right down the road here.
Right down the road here.
Yeah. And you can tell that I've tried.
Okay.
Don't, yeah. And then I got this
Yeah.
potato salad.
No odor.
that I
If it would be anything, it would be medications.
What are you talking about?
What's that?
I'm talking about somebody else, another officer.
Yeah.
So I have these.
Oh, you got lots of meds.
Oh yeah, this is calm.
What do you take meds for, though?
This is calm. This is CBD.
Okay.
This is
We're working from the bike room.
Now, are any of these
center.
medications tell you not to drive?
No, they're listen.
Better report.
No,
Okay,
see,
I'll take that.
it says you shouldn't operate a vehicle with this one.
Well, I'm not operating. I'm driving. Okay. This is
25 copy, Lieutenant.
this is on
For though.
what?
What's it for?
What the
What's it helping?
Yeah, what is this?
not today, no.
Not today. Have you taken any meds today?
No,
No meds today.
no,
Other than the one you took for your foot.
right. No, I haven't
45
taken
response.
anything. And then this is the Xarelto, and this is for my
10-8 dinner detail till 2200 call on.
blood
Stomach.
pressure.
So you do have some medical problems. That's why I was asking.
I'm telling you.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna put these back in here, okay?
Right on. Okay. All right, so
10-8 dinner detail till 2200.
Well, we're gonna get you checked out, okay?
why?
By the medics.
By the medics. I want to make sure you're okay, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay. Where are we going?
You're not going anywhere right
We're
now.
not going anywhere. I
Make
mean,
sure that you're
we'll
okay.
move forward with the gates and all that stuff
Oh, good God. Okay.
because we got to get that handled.
Oh, you turn that off now? You're not hot no more?
If
Yeah,
you
it's
guys
okay.
are hanging out, I'm hanging.
Yeah.
You don't gotta get out. Just hang out for right now.
So I know you told the other officer you don't know about the gates, and you told me you didn't know. So you don't remember what happened with the gates? Okay. You don't remember driving through the gates? Okay. All right. All right. So at this point, then the accident investigation is over. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'm now going to be conducting a DUI investigation. Okay. All right. Okay. So because of that, the state of Florida, you have accident privilege. I have to read you something. All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to read this to you. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement. You have the following constitutional rights.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. Do you understand that?
Yep.
You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any question. You understand that?
Yeah.
And if you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any question. You understand that?
Yeah.
Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any question, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yes. I'm
Right,
a silent girl. Okay.
I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
it.
All right. So, I know I've asked you some of this stuff prior, but have you, other than like the medication for your foot that you said you took,
Right.
you take no other medication? Okay. What about, have you had any THC gummies, any edibles?
No.
Nothing like that?
No.
Smoked any marijuana?
No, I wish I had, but
You wish
no.
you had, but no?
No.
Okay. All right. And no alcoholic beverages?
No.
Okay. So you've had nothing other than that one medication that you showed me for your foot
Right.
prior to driving?
Right. Promise.
Promise?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, and you were the only one in the car. You were the only one.
Yes.
So you were driving. You were the only one in the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay.
It's my car.
It's your car.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make that clear. All right. Would you be willing to conduct field sobriety evaluations?
Oh my goodness, yes.
You would?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I know I asked you this before too, but medical issues. I know you told the medics you didn't have diabetes. You don't have diabetes. History of seizures. Nothing like that. Epilepsy. No. Okay, do you have any medical issues with your eyes? Okay. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do is check your eyes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. This instruction is really easy. You see the tip of my finger?
Yeah.
All right. I need you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and only your eyes. Don't move your head.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Tip of my finger, you gotta follow it with your eyes, okay?
Yeah.
You gotta look at my finger and follow it, okay?
I'm following it.
No, you're just looking at me.
Okay.
So you see the tip of my finger?
Yeah.
Alright, look at it.
Okay.
Follow it with your eyes, okay?
Okay.
No, my finger.
Okay.
Alright, you're not following the instructions, alright? So, because you're not following the instructions, I'm gonna explain something to you, okay?
Okay.
Alright. If you fail to follow the instructions, it's just like you're refusing to do the field sobriety evaluations.
Oh no, I'm not
Let me
failing.
just let me finish.
Okay.
Okay. If you refuse to follow the instructions, it's like you're refusing to do the field sobriety evaluations. All right.
Okay.
And then I would have to base my investigation off the totality of the circumstances as it sits right now, which could lead to your arrest for DUI, all right, and be used against you in court.
Okay.
All right. You understand that?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try again. Let's do it.
Okay.
I need you to look at the tip of my finger with your eyes and only your eyes, and keep your head still. Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna tell you one more time. Okay.
Am I not doing it?
You're not doing it.
Understand what he's saying?
Yeah, he's telling me to follow his finger.
We're gonna have to search you before we put you in the car. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
And all your jewelry will have to take off. All right. Hang on. Stand right there for me. Okay. So you can lean against the car. Put your hands. There you go. All right.
I got it.
Put your hand right there for me. There you go. Anything in your pockets?
No?
No. You got your pants on backwards.
Yeah, I know.
All right. You want to jump in the front?
Alright. Yeah, I'll put her on the front. Got it?
Yeah.
There's a little handle right here. See it?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, I'm gonna put them in the front of you, okay?
What, the handcuffs?
Yeah, I'll put
Why
them,
do I have to
I'll
have
put them loose
handcuffs?
because you're under arrest, okay?
Why?
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
That's not a negotiable thing. We got to put you in handcuffs.
It's alright, I'm
my
gonna
God.
look, I'll keep them loose for you, alright?
Alright. Why am I under arrest?
This,
DUI.
here, let me get your other
You
hand.
guys are crazy.
You got your friend's number in your phone that we can call for your dog?
Yeah.
Alright. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get your phone and stuff out of the car, okay?
You can change it.
Alright?
I'll have a 10-15 email.
If you're late.
Unit 17, sir.